Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on at my client Cruz's, I think this is Cruz's 8th or 9th Section 8 rental property, guys. This is a project that has been funded by hard money. We are about to get this thing started. Come on in and we'll talk through it. So guys, renovation costs here. This is a big project and I wanted to take you through it before we got started. So this is $99,000 renovation here. And this is a 2-bedroom, okay, 3-bathroom house that we are turning into a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, okay? So we're going from a 2-bed to a 5-bed. Now the layout here a little bit different, a little bit unique from a lot of houses that you see on the channel because of where we're located right now in the city, where we're on a very, very nice street. And the house is built kind of into a hill a little bit. So there is very, very usable basement space, which where we are in this part of the country in the Southeast, you don't have that a lot. In the Southeast United States, you tend to have a very, very significant limestone base. So you have a lot of rock. So it's very, very expensive to do basements or anything other than crawl space, which is why a lot of times investing in the Southeast, houses are built on crawl space. You can't use basement space towards square footage or towards adding value. This is one of those instances where a home was built into the side of a hill. So we can use the basement that was built on the back half of the house. And we'll kind of walk through that and talk about that a little bit. But so right now we came in on the top level of this split level house. Immediately upon entry, you walk into a kitchen, and as you can see, very, very old kitchen. A lot of the things in here are straight out of the 1940s, 1950s. As you can see, this oven has not changed in a very long time and has stayed here more so maybe as part of a memory, because then you have a newer oven stove range here, which is still probably about 20 or 25 years old. But all this stuff coming out, so all new cabinets, all new countertops. The woman who lived here passed away, and we were able to buy it for about $25,000. So pretty unbelievable to get into this for between $120,000 and $130,000 all in. Build a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that is going to appraise for north of probably $165,000, $175,000, and rent for anywhere between $1,500 to $1,800 a month, 100% Section 8. So having the ability to use hard money, if you're working with a good lender, it allows you to take on more. And the key there is good lender, because some money is too hard when you're doing hard money. Some fees are too expensive where it prices us out of the overall renovation. And the hard money lenders that we work with tend to have very good terms. We have our own in-house lending as well, which is absolutely an option to you in case you don't have the funds to be able to cut a check for $130,000 and do a project like this. It allows you to get in significantly cheaper than that and still partake in the BRRRR method. Still do those big time value adds that otherwise you wouldn't be able to use. So here's our kitchen, guys. As we walk out of our kitchen, we have a little dining area right here. Obviously, all new light fixtures are going in here, a ton of new windows. There's a little porch out here. We just cleaned this house out yesterday, so it was I don't want to say floor to ceiling trash and debris, but pretty close. Still a lot of mustiness and kind of nastiness in here, but everything in this house is going to be new. So brand new HVAC system, all new ductwork. It has a brand new roof that's already been installed. It's a full replumb. It's a full electrical rewire. It's full paint, all new flooring. It is multiple new bathroom guts. It's new bedrooms. It's everything. So as we walk through here, it's a ton of natural light, which we love. You have the kitchen that we just walked through, walking through the living room now. And then as we get to the end of the hall right here, you've got your first bedroom on the left, you've got your second bedroom or on the left and bedroom on the right. And this is all that there was. So it was a bedroom, bathroom right here. We're tearing everything out of this. Everything in there is gonna be new. New vanity, new sink, new tub insert, as well as surround, of course, all new flooring and everything in there too. This is an unvented gas space heater. So there's our gas connection. We're taking all the gas out of this house. It's gonna be fully electric, which anytime we do full rewires on homes, we eliminate all the gas. Our tenants, they want green, they want electric, they don't wanna pay a gas bill, don't wanna deal with it. So we turn everything electric, new electric HVAC, all electrical heating, electrical appliances, everything electric. So this will come out, this is fairly new. Whoever lived here just added this kind of recently. So as we walk through into bedroom 2, guys, we're doing all new interior doors. As you can imagine, on the back side of this, we have a old school burglar and fire alarm on the wall here, all new. We're gonna go all new closet doors, of course, throughout the entire thing. We've got about 5 different kinds of doors in this house. And then lastly, in this bedroom, we have an ensuite, which is very nice. We have an ensuite bathroom here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna obviously rip that toilet out. We're gonna rip the vanity out, all brand new in here, all new flooring. There is a shower in here. We're gonna refinish that stand-up shower and make it really good. Now it's on the smaller side, but still really nice to have that ensuite. Of course, toilet will be bigger, vanity will be bigger, everything will be brand new, all new lighting. We'll install a vent fan, which will be electric code for bathrooms now too. So this will be really, really nice. And then of course, a ton of cosmetic work, all new flooring, tons of drywall work, everything repainted, new windows. It's gonna look really, really nice. So as we walk through back into the kitchen, we have access to the downstairs level. And it's gonna be a little bit dark because it is, there's no power here. But essentially, you walk downstairs. We're gonna bump this out a little bit because that's too low. And we have a really nice space down here. So what we're gonna do down here is we are going to build a wall right here. So we'll have our 3rd bedroom will be right where you guys are standing right now. As you can see, tons and tons of water damage coming in here. All this paneling is gonna be ripped off. All of these walls and floor, all of this is gonna be resealed. We've got water coming in at this baseline here. All of that will be redone. Ceilings will all be retextured and repainted. All new light fixtures. Things like this giant fan and ventilation fan, all these will be removed. That's about a 65-year-old ventilation fan from down here. As you can see, this is kind of our auxiliary back garage. So there's a nice garage off the back of this house too. You can see the amount of leaking that we have. Everything in here will be replumbed. Never a good sign on plumbing when you see plumbing that's tied together with duct tape and towels, which we see often, unfortunately. You've got PVC there that is just totally broken off of an old galvanized steel line right there, a steel drain line. So all of this is being removed. CPVC, which is what all this is and what all those connections are, that is non-code, so that's all gonna be removed. We're gonna put a new water heater in. We'll leave the slop sink right there, but you see the drain line for that slop sink actually runs through this entire room, which is crazy considering it's uphill. So when you use that, you see this giant bow in the line here. Somebody built it up here and then it goes down, but then it goes back up again. So there's no way for gravity to actually drain water out. So we're eliminating that, of course, and gonna replumb this whole house anyway. So you have bedroom 3 will be where we're standing. Right at the base of the stairs, you have bedroom 4. We need to put an all brand new drop ceiling in here too. And remove more trash that's already down here. So everything in here will get removed. We have to run all new ductwork down here as well for all the HVAC because there's no heating and cooling down here. This bathroom, new drop ceiling will go in here, new vent fan, of course, new vanity, new toilet, full bathtub refinish. It's fairly new down here too, but it's non-functioning. And the problem that could be a part of that is this right here, which is your drain line, which is just open and just flowing freely into that sewer line entry. So obviously that's not gonna work. We're gonna remove that. And then this is bedroom number 3 down here. So 3 bedrooms down here. We'll get rid of everything that needs to be removed from down here. Of course, that's our electrical box currently. That entire thing will get demolished and rebuilt brand new. You see the condition of a lot of the drain lines down here, which is why this house is getting a brand new replumb of drain lines, water lines, and everything else. Plus, still removing some of the trash. We got guys here removing some of this trash right now. But overall, guys, this is a great project, and you know, this is how a lot of houses look before we get into them. I know I can't hit every single one that we do before we get started on them, but I would love to do that to show you the transformation of what these things start as and what they turn into. I mean, this is a house that hasn't had renovations in decades and decades and decades. So there might not have been any work done here in 40, 50 years. We have the opportunity to buy something cheap, put a bunch of money in it, eliminate our expenses over the long term, generate cash flow, and create an investment property where everybody wins, where we're taking a tenant, putting them in a beautiful house that serves a purpose for them, but also serves a purpose for our clients. So if you guys want to do that and you want to get in on something like that, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll see you next time.